My name is Igwe Hannah Virginie from the Department of Electrical Engineering, third year, University of Nigeria in Nsukka. So, being an engineering student, my intention is actually to solve most of the electrical power failures that we have here in Nigeria as a country. And not only that, already being somebody that went outside country, so I know what other countries are going through and enjoying vis-a-vis light supply, but Nigeria as a country is really poor. So I'm trying. My intention of coming to engineering and particularly electrical is to stretch my hand and be part of improving this failure, and not only that, also to take part in the connection and wiring of houses, and also seeing myself in NEPA office and NEPA office and supplying light to different states and otherwise. So that's just it. Thank you.